Job of the day. We are setting up, well actually we're just fine-tuning his weight distribution hitch on this truck and trailer. Backing up to it relatively. And then I'm going to look up the manual and make sure everything is done correctly. It's got load bars. This is the, oh, it might be just setting too high. That might be one of the issues. I have to drop down the ball mount, put it on there, drop down the ball mount. I think that's the main issue, is it's just set way too high. All right, looking at the video, E-Trailer has a full video on how to set this up, but I don't have that tool to be able to put the sway bars or the load bars onto the mounts. So I need to text him and see if he has that tool, because that's kind of pivotal. Does he have it back here? No. Okay. All right, tool has been acquired and found. Oh, perfect. I can set this thing up now. Make sure I don't get run over. Looks like we're a little low on the front, so we'll go a little up and then put our ball mount accordingly. See where we're at. Say we go up just a smidge more, and then I can adjust his ball mount. That looks good. Looks like his tongue's just a little bit bent, but yeah, his front tongue's just a smidge bent. But I think I'll drop it down 2 holes. I think we drop it down 2 on the ball mount and set it up from there. Rip-a-dip, my snap-on wrench broke. Gotta find a snap-on truck. Hopefully it'll warranty it out. That sucks. Yeah, well, this is a 5/8 set bolt. I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna go down 2 holes, and I think we should be right on the money if I do that. But let's check. 1 bolt off, 2 bolts off. Come on, give it back. All right. There we go. I wanna go right here. 1 bolt in. Next bolt is in. Washer, let me tighten the set screw. Good. Got washers in there. I'm gonna lift the front up, back it up, hook it up to the ball, and then make sure everything's set up properly. It said on the video that this needs to be 27 inches to 36 inches. Okay, perfect. Right in the middle of that. Let's back her up. Actually, let's extend her up first. Yeah, that looks good right there. Put the load bars in. Use the torque bar and put it in to the holders. We got about an inch up, and I can go up on the jack a little more to level everything off. But this looks pretty good set up. So I dropped it down 2 holes on the ball mount. Sway bar is in. We'll do cotter key to the outside. Good. Get my tool. Up, hook, nice. We might need to come down because this should be parallel. I might drop this system down here. So we should be parallel instead of going up. Yeah. I looked at an installation video. I'm going to move these forward just a smidge, probably about 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to drop down 2 holes and put everything together because I want the trailer tongue itself parallel to this bar. All right, I got the mounting bar loose. I want to make sure that I am even on both sides. So I'm going to go just a smidge forward. Let's go 25 inches. Tighten it down. We're even and level. Tighten everything down. And we'll do the same on the other side. And I marked that. So I'm going to drop this down 1. Tighten this on and see if that helps my parallel. Let's get my tool in. Set pin is on. That looks good. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm marking the top hole so I know which one, so I don't forget. Good. Tape measure. We did 25 on the other side. Let's do 25 on this side. Oh, it is already 25. Okay, perfect. Tighten her down. Good. Drop down 1 hole. Get my load bar. Cotter key on the outside. Load bar tool. Not a lot of pressure on it right now because it's stuck in the air. Well, the load bars are parallel, but I think I need to go up 1 on the ball mount. Man, the tongue is bent. It's like bent right at the ball mount. I think we go up 1 more hole on the ball mount side and then put it back together and see how that works. All right, raise the mount back up. So let's back her up, hook up to the ball, and see if that gives us better angle. It's just dropping the back of the truck too much. Does he have airbags? Nope, just coils. Okay, no airbags. All right, I got the jack holding where I want it to go. Good on that. Retainer bolts. Passenger side's on. Let's do driver side. Retainer's on. Drop it down. Got good weight on the load bars. There we go. Weight is off. A little bit high, we're parallel. Yeah, right on the money. So all I had to do, I just dropped these down. Dropped this down 1 bolt hole index. Brought it back up to where it was when I first got here. I dropped it down to see if that was it, but it wasn't. This just needed to be more parallel. But we got good weight on his truck. Everything looks even. Good weight on the trailer. Everything's even on the trailer. Load bars are parallel. I moved the passenger side up 1 inch to match the driver's side, so it's 25 inches. I think we're golden. This looks great. Passenger side load bars are parallel with the tongue itself. I'm gonna go through, tighten these bolts again. But I think everything is pretty much how it needs to be. There's no weight on the trailer or no weight on the tongue for the jack right now, and everything's level. I think we'll call this good. Connect everything, put everything back to where it needs to be, and let the customer know he's set up. Load bar off, unpin, and good. Driver's side is off, and ball cover going back on. Good. Putting everything back into his bottom carrier. That's through, that's through. Put it back the way I found it. His tongue is slightly bent up. If you go over there and take a look, you can kind of see it rubbing right here. But other than that, everything's good. I put weight on it, it levels off, and it distributes the weight evenly across the truck and the trailer now. Good, that's all clean, that's all clean. This truck's back in the driveway. I didn't leave any tools. Good, let's go give the keys back and be done.